What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another episode of Flying Brown's Garage. So, it is the day before the car show, and I didn't even know there was one coming up this month. I found out from Shaggy. He went up to the auto parts store the other day to get some parts for his build that he's building in the shop. If y'all want to go see that, videos down below. Part 1 and Part 2 have dropped, and Part 3 is in the making as we're still working on it. Also, Part 1 and Part 2 of the lawn cart has dropped, but Part 3 is still in the making. I was going to take it, but it's not ready yet, and I will show you why. Y'all won't be seeing this yet, and the reason is because when I went and got on it, the chain loosened, and I realized what it was this metal was really thin here, and it actually kicked the transmission down in this spot, so it actually relieved tension on the chain. And then once I tried to take links out of the chain, because I hadn't noticed this yet, I couldn't take a link missing was too much, and a link on was too much. So I finally discovered that this part was bent down. This bolt hole was bent down, and that's where the chain gear rides. So I've been coming in here trying to reinforce weld. I'm grinding it down smooth, and then I'm going to come under and plate it, but I'm out of wire. So I'm waiting to get some wire, and in the meantime, we are taking, of course, once again, the Beast, and this time it has a belt on it, and she ready to go. Oh yeah, she ready to go. What I need to do is we're going to take the Dragtor as well, because Shaggy is working on getting his, which I'll kind of show you that real quick. He's working to get his ready to go, and it's actually it's pretty jam up now. I wish he'd quit leaving his dadgum key in it. Shaggy, you watching this? Quit leaving your key in in your stuff over here. That's how people steal stuff. Some people are too stupid to figure out that you can put a screwdriver in it to start. But he's got a power switch, start. These will be accessories like lights and other things. He's actually has his kill switch here on the key, which is kind of cool. So you have to have the key on, and then you have to have this switch on to start it, and then just to kill it, all you got to do is kill the key. But he don't have the hood done yet. He don't have a body kit made yet, but at least it'll be running and riding and able to go to the car show. But with that being said, we're also going to be taking the Beast, not the Beast, but the Dragtor. So I'm actually going to come out here, and today what we're going to do is I'm going to pulley swap the front. I know they say you can't pulley swap a hydrostatic. Well, you know, they did say you can't pulley swap the transax, but I've never really heard anything about you can't pulley swap the engine. Maybe it's just known, but we're going to experiment just a little bit. I want to see if I can flip my rear pulley, or my front pulley on my engine, and see if I can get a little more speed out of it. So that's what we're going to do today. We're going to put the battery from the red one in the Dragtor and get it around to the shop. So at the moment I'm having to get fuel and battery for the Dragtor. Didn't realize it was out. And luckily I'm not using this for the season, so it had half tank in it. Alright guys, we're up here at the car show. I just got everything cleaned and shined up, got the information sheets on them, some stickers put on them and stuff like that. We're about to go over there and check out the setup we got. We got it out front this time, and there was so much that wasn't filmed. I'll go ahead and show y'all what I did yesterday with the Beast and the Dragtor. Alright, here's our setup. Shaggy's got his little wizard here that he got. There's the Dragtor all nice and clean. Here's our information sheet we got going on. I've got it all shined up the best I can. So yesterday what we did was we actually came through here and pulley swapped this tractor, and it now has no clutch whatsoever. The clutch has been disengaged from the pedal and all linkages removed. Now that's just a brake. The belt is a one drive system all the way to the rear. And would you know, as you would expect from any hydro, it didn't speed it up. It just tries to hesitate. So this will be a good setup for when I get the 6-speed Craftsman in here, and then we can put a belt and a clutch back in. AYP style rear end Spicer or a MST 206, but so far it's looking pretty good. We also put on a lock for the handle there, but then we robbed the pulley from the Beast, so we came in and we did another pulley for the Beast, and it knocked it down just a hair to where my belt's not grabbing anymore. We also cleaned it up, made it look real nice. There's the info sheet for the Beast. And I added one of them little temporary stickers that are junk. But it's looking better than it did, and now we're just waiting to see who shows up and all that good stuff. But we are out in the front today, so get seen a little better. So let's go over here and check out this little wizard real quick while I'm at it. I don't think it's been pulley swapped or any of that. What kind of rear end is that? Yeah, stock pulley system. Oh, it's got a little hood strap here. He's got on there. Old 12 horse Briggs. Original gas tank. It's pretty decent. Put the hood strap back on there. It don't have any headlights. Looks like somebody added hood strap pins, and looks like they went all the way around with the same size tires, unless that was the way it came, which is pretty cool. And it's got that's a Spicer. That's a Spicer trans, because I got the same one. Battery tray there. Pretty cool little tractor. So I want to take a quick second and pause the video and ask y'all to help me with something. I need y'all to do me a favor. Go down and hit that subscribe button. Smash it. Smash that bell. Go like the videos. You know, tell me where you're from. Say hi. Whatever. Ask me questions. It doesn't matter. I'm trying to get to 1,000 subs. And I cannot do that without your guys' help. So definitely go subscribe, check out Facebook, the Instagram, the Snapchat, and now we have a TikTok. You can just go type in Flying Brown's Garage and you will find me. All the profile pictures are the same. It's easy to find. And yeah, give me some likes, give me some subscribes, and all that good stuff. I'm trying to build this, and I can't build it without everybody's help. So hope you guys are enjoying the videos. You know, got a lot of good videos coming, constantly coming, and I'm constantly sourcing new projects. So stay tuned, and with that being said, let's get back to the video.
What else over here?
Just a few things.
guys. So it wasn't as good of a turnout as we thought it was going to be this time. Just kind of one of the things of starting up something. A lot of the same cars that were here before are here again, and yeah, it's not a lot of selection. So we're gonna end this video on a good note. We're gonna get back to the shop, and I'm gonna probably do a little bit of riding or something of that sort. But we're loading up now. I'm about to head out, so see you guys back to the shop. Alright guys, another video didn't end so great, or it wasn't that great because the turnout we had, but I'm out here in the yard today kind of messing around, about to start a new project. And I figured going a little ride through the trail real quick before I open it. I'm going to end the video that way, so let's get down there. Road over through there. I was going to go that way, but I think I'm going to get caught up in too much shit. She's a little distraught from lack of use. Well guys, that's going to be the end of this video. Here coming up soon, we're going to actually open up the trail again, and told Shaggy to bring something to ride, because I'm looking forward to riding with someone other than myself. But y'all know what to do. Go down there, like the video for me, leave a comment, subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so yet. Also, you can go check out the TikTok, Instagram, Facebook, and the Snapchat. You can all just type in Flying Brian's Garage in the search and you'll find me. Most of the profile pictures are the same. Also, go check out my buddy at Shaggy Small Engines on YouTube, and on Facebook at Shaggy's Repairs. You can just type in those names in search bars, you'll find him. And yeah, y'all go check out some old videos and all that good stuff, because I got a lot of new stuff coming, and a lot of old stuff is pretty good too. Still got, you know, part 3s of projects to come out, and about to start another project. So y'all stay tuned to the channel, and see you guys on the next one.